My name is Wade and I'm from South Korea.
My name is Toyhan Kim. I'm from South Korea.
I'm Jie Choi. I'm from South Korea.
For working as a cabin crew. Yeah.
So I assume it's the same for you guys, right?
I think it's good for us because there is the washing machine and drying machine too. I heard that it is not the common thing. There is the drying machine, so I think it's good for us. I think.
It's really convenient because, as she said before, like drawing machine is not common in Malaysia. I heard about that, so it's really good. I think. Yeah, I usually cook
Usually cook. What is your favorite dish?
pasta.
Pasta. Okay.
Can get cleaning service. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
I really like the transportation. Yeah.
I like the gym and the facility.
Inside, I have some drinks and some ice there for my coffee.
I also have beverages and some side dish for me.
Okay.
In Malaysia, I like the fried noodle. Yeah, Malaysia style.
Maybe fried noodles.
I love nasi lemak.
Nasi lemak. How often do you eat nasi lemak?
More than 10 times.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, okay.
I would like to give 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Convenient and warm. Also clean.
2, 3, BeLive.
Fly up high.
Okay, thank you so much.